Welcome back. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I make $200 a day flipping AI audio tracks in the USA. This is a step-by-step blueprint you can follow even if you are brand new. First, I generate unique audio tracks using AI tools, background music, podcast intros, or sound effects. These are in huge demand because US South creators, businesses, and YouTubers constantly need fresh audio. Next, I polish the tracks. I edit for clarity, balance the sound, and export in formats like MP3 or WAV. This makes them professional and ready to use for clients across America. Finally, I flip them. I list the tracks on marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and US South-based audio stock libraries. Pricing them between $15 and $50 each means just a few sales daily can hit $200 or more. And that's the blueprint. Generate, polish, and flip. If you want to start your own AI audio hustle in the USA, follow these steps and take action today. Smash that like button, subscribe for more AI side hustles, and drop a comment if you are ready to flip your first track.